NetSuite Release Preview 2022.1 Release Notes. Contra account sheets now available in SuiteApp Marketplace. Alright, so I am now on the third video of the release, right? I've done those two, I'm guessing you might have seen them. And let's go to, here are the release notes. Contra account sheets version 1.2.1 is now available for installation from SuiteApp Marketplace. The SuiteApp enables you to generate transaction reports with Contra account information. I can see how from an auditing and I guess troubleshooting point of view this could be very handy. Previously you can install the Contra account sheets SuiteApp from the search and install bundles page. If you have the previous SuiteApp version 1.01 bundle ID 314179 installed in your NetSuite account, you need to uninstall that SuiteApp first before installing the new version of Contra account suite from SuiteApp's Marketplace. So really important that you do that. Now I don't have it in my account, so I've just gone on and I went to my SuiteApps. I found my Contra account sheet, search for that. I have now installed it. You can see there it says installed. And if I now go to my transaction, lists, give me 1 second. It's a report, first time I've used this specific one, financial and Contra account sheets. So now we are presented with this page about the Contra account sheet. Here you choose your subsidiary. I'm going to choose Honeycomb, and then let's see, I'm going to use maybe undeposited funds. I'm sure there should be something in there, right? And no transactions in that date range, so I'm just going to make this date range. I know there was transactions in this demo account in 2014, so I'll just go and do that, and then I'll go and do this here. Let's say to then. Give me 1 second. I see there's a note here that says it can be maximum 1 year, cannot exceed 1 year. I've just gonna pick something random there, so I'll just go and do December, yeah? And then we should be good. So December 2014, there you go. And now it's gonna load my transactions. Right, so here it now shows all the transactions posted to undeposited funds with document number, transaction type, some details, and then it's going to give you the Contra account. Now when you look at it on screen, it doesn't appear to help much, but when we go and export this, alright, so there you can see it's generating the report, and in a moment you'll see it'll down here make it available for us to open. Right, so I'm going to open this, and there you can see a report. Now you can see on screen it actually gives you the account detail. Now it does not give you the split per account, but it does tell you the accounts that was contract for each of these transactions. So I do think this is quite a handy report. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel to be notified of new videos.